Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, tires, front all-season. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.